All right. This is what we're working with. I got some drumsticks and they are already prepared. My oil. Let's go. Fire. That's subtle. Let's go. All right, chicken. Look at that butter. OMG. It is amazing. Wow. Alrighty. We are cooking down slowly. We hope for better results. Yeah. We are cooking slowly but surely. I am using a mix of things, especially this one, chicken wings seasoned quarter mix. But I put flavor in mine. I put hot pepper, black peppers, I put curry, I put salt. Yeah, that's about it. And a little mustard in the mix with milk. Boom. That's all. Yeah, what is in here? I blanched my meat in hot water and then let it cool because it smells better. Alrighty, let's do this. Alrighty. We have arrived here. And this is how we're doing. I have realized my butter is flying away. However, we'll keep going. Okay. Aye. What are we thinking? We think we take them out, let them rest, and we see what we can do with them. Make them crunchier or leave them alone. Alrighty. Voila. Where am I at? Mr. Money! Let's redip it. It's a oil fraternity today. Okay, let's do this again. It's again and again. What is the song called? Ouch. Kevin, your money. They look crunchy, don't they? Let's check. Ooh, those look crunchy. I think they shrunk, but that's fine. Alrighty, there we go.